Hey plant pals, it's Mike the Cat Gardener, and this is a short video on my testing of my mystery pepper here. I don't know if it's hot or mild, but you shall see. I might not be too happy, but we'll see how it goes. This is my lemon spice. The first several that I've grown in that cracky jar have been extremely mild, like zero heat, and this is the kind of generation 2 lemon spice. It looks like candy. I love it. It was very sweet. So I'm going to taste this and see if it's still as mild as it was when I first grew them. The very first time I grew them, they were jalapeno hot, but this batch had like maybe 50 Scoville. It wasn't hot at all. This is my orange spice jalapeno, and you can see all the striations on there, the corking. This one is usually, I think this one is like 50 to 100,000 Scovilles. So this one should be rocket hot, but it's very delicious to me. It's one of my favorite peppers to eat. Let's see if I can get it to focus in. There we go. Beautiful. Look at the corking on that. It's gorgeous. All right, so I'm gonna taste that. And then, I think first, well, I'll go from, I'll do known, because I know these two. I don't know what this one tastes like. This will be my third one. So we'll taste that one last. All right, got my knife, my handy dandy knife. First, I will taste the lemon pepper, or the lemon spice jalapeno. See if it has any heat. Again, looks like candy. Nope. Yeah, my flash went off. Zero heat. But, oh, it's so good. It's like if you took, hard to explain. It's like if you took the best bell pepper, sweetest bell pepper you had, and gave it just a tiny drop of, like, citrus to it. That's what you would get. And, of course, I'm going to save all these seeds. So that's a win. Put that back. Love that. Quite delicious. All right, now I'm going to be bold and taste the orange spice, just a tiny piece of the orange spice jalapeno, because I'll end up coughing or something on the camera, because it is usually very spicy. We shall see. Huh. This one was not hot. Take a bigger piece. Matter of fact, I'll cut it in half. Show you the inside. Maybe it could be a little bit riper. It was like, it went from pale green to dark green. You can see there's like hardly any. Hold the focus on it. There we go. I want you to focus. There we go. It has very tiny seeds. So the next few ones I'll let get more ripe, just so we can be sure that I'm getting it optimum, because it looked on the plant that it was ready because it had a nice orange color, but I mean, it's maybe just a tiny step up from the I mean, it's got some heat, but like it's not making me my eyes water or anything, or burning my tongue at all. It's very mild. Off there. All right, so that's the orange spice. I'll do another. Oh, there we go. It was a slow burn. It was delicious. Okay, that was a surprise one. That one came on like way late. That was pretty cool, because it's not like a bad burn. It just surprised me because it had zero heat, and all of a sudden it gave me a little in the back of my throat, and my nose is a little bit sniffling. Okay, that's funny. Yeah, I like that. And such a good flavor. This is, I don't even know how to explain that to you. It's just delicious. I highly recommend it. All right, this is the mystery pepper. You give it a smell. I don't smell heat. You can see there's lots of seeds in it, which I will save. All All right, let me give this one give it a little taste. And no, I'm not one of those people who takes the big bites on the camera with the seeds and all and stuff like that. Because I'm not into punishment. I'm not into that. That's their thing. Good on them. I enjoy flavor. I eat these for the whoa. Okay, that was hot. You are an evil little plant. Let me show the plant. I'm gonna bring it down over here. This is the culprit. I'm thinking it's like supposed to be like a cayenne. It was a seed I planted like a long time ago and the plant kept dying. I mean, this is like maybe a 2-year-old plant. I planted it like a long time ago and it kept dying in this jar, but then kept coming back. It would die down to like a little stick, like this. I'd get this, and then all of a sudden I'd start getting this off the sticks, and I just kept it going, and now it's decided it finally wants to produce peppers. It's actually tasty. I'm thinking it's a cayenne. Or maybe, I don't know, maybe a serrano that got stunted? Not sure. If anybody knows, let me know. But yeah, it's tasty. Get that leaf off there. So I'm going to save the seeds off this little guy. Yeah, I'm going to do that right now. I'll do it in front of you so you can see how easy it is. And make sure if you do this, you wear gloves or you wash your hands. But what I do is I just grab a paper plate. This is the plate I was using for my my herbs that I was collecting. And all you do is you just give it, getting oil all over my hands. Look at that oil. This is hot. This is spicy. I'll tell you what I'll do is I'll cut it in half because it'll go faster that way. Once not as many seeds as I thought. I thought it was going to be packed full of seeds. So I'm going to save these. Just these couple seeds. And then I got more, of course, as you saw, I had more on the plant. But these little guys are tough. Definitely a tough plant because, like I said, it died back a bunch of times and came back a bunch of times. Yep, that was it for the seeds. Whew. You can smell that. Whew. Woo, it's got that hot smell. Phew. All right, I think this is probably, it's not, I wouldn't say it's crazy hot. It's maybe 50,000 Scovilles. It's not like, won't destroy your palate or anything. It's just very tasty. I can see that being very good in like a faux soup or something. Yeah, all right. So that was fun for me. Hopefully it was entertaining and fun for you. I got a few seeds out of it. I'm going to save the seeds from this. I'm going to save the seeds from this. And take it from there. All right. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have yourself a great day. Hope you enjoyed the tasting along with me. All right.